Called to the Gospel of John, chapter 17, verse 21, that they may all be one, the United Church of Christ is once again practicing oneness. Hunger, the environment, and literacy. These are the social justice issues that we, as officers of the church, have committed to lifting up through our all-church initiatives. In 2011, the United Church of Christ embarked on its first all-church initiative, Mission One, Addressing Hunger. We collected almost 1.5 million food items. We wrote more than 37,000 letters to Congress sharing our hunger-related concerns, and we raised more than $232,000 for hunger relief both in the U.S. and internationally. In 2013, the United Church of Christ came together once again to focus on the environment. We contributed more than 610,000 hours to environmental care. We planted more than 141,000 trees around the world, and we wrote more than 52,000 advocacy letters on environmental issues. This year, we invite you to participate in Reading Changes Lives, our third all-church initiative. Did you know that 32 million adults in this country aren't able to read? And that fact has not changed in 10 long years. In addition to great literacy ministry happening in our congregations, Reading Changes Lives will feature 3 primary elements through June 2015. First, September 2014. September 7th is UCC Christian Education Sunday, and September 8th is National Literacy Day. So, in September, we invite you to read the book by Rob Schindler, Hot Dogs and Hamburgers, Unlocking Life's Potential by Inspiring Literacy at Any Age. You can order your book and learn more about the issue at ucc.org/literacy. And you can download the free discussion guide for your church or small groups. Let's read together. Hot Dogs and Hamburgers, one read as one church. Second, March 4th, 2015, we'll march forth for literacy. Literacy is a social justice issue that is impacted by poverty, racism, unequal access to quality education, mass incarceration, and more. According to the U.S. Department of Justice, the link between academic failure, delinquency, violence, and crime is welded to reading failure. Statistics back up this claim. 85% of all juveniles who interface with the court system are functionally illiterate, and over 70% of inmates in America's prisons cannot read above a 4th grade level. Literacy is a social justice issue. We will march forth for literacy together as one church. Third, General Synod in Cleveland in 2015. Service projects in the Cleveland area will work with local community service partners to make a difference. Cleveland is one of the most challenged urban areas of the country regarding literacy. We can make a difference. We'll be asked to bring new books to the General Synod that will be shared with children and adults within the Northeast Ohio area. Details coming soon during Synod registration this August. Whether you are able to come to General Synod or not, everyone, everywhere, is invited to serve your local community, making a difference. We are one church, living our core values of extravagant welcome, continuing testament, and changing lives. Let's change lives together. Be a part of Reading Changes Lives.